Hello, Assalamu alaikum students of class 7 and the O-level students. This is exercise 5B of D2 mathematics and book page number is 145. If you want to open the book and you can read the question number 6 from this page, the perimeter is given as 64 meters, area is given as 207 meters square, length we need to find out and breadth we need to find out. So let's start the solution. We know that perimeter is given by what kind of perimeter they are talking about. Sorry, I should mention it in the start. The perimeter of a rectangle rectangular shape. So we know that perimeter of rectangle is equal to length plus breadth plus breadth. We know that perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length plus breadth plus breadth. That's mean two lengths and both breadths are added. So then we are able to get the perimeter of the rectangle. But the perimeter is given as 64 meters. So we can write 64 just below this perimeter of rectangle, 64 meters. Now you can see 2 is common from this side. 2 is common, so we can take 2 as common and L plus B shall remain in the bracket. So it is another simplified form of the formula, but or you can say these are the three faces of the formula. These are the three different kinds of the look of the formula. Formula can be written as this, and this, but according to our requirement I have changed it into like this, because I don't have to enter any length, I don't have to enter any breadth yet, because I don't have it. I need to find out. 64 will be written as it is, 2 will come here and will be 64 will be divided by 2, so 64 will after divided by 2 will be 32 meters. So length plus breadth is equal to 32 meters, but we don't know how much is the length and how much is the breadth. But we have been given another thing in the question. We have been given area as 207 meters square. So we have been given area as 207 meters square. Just I came to remember one thing, that we can make it like this, or L plus B is equal to 32 meters and L is equal to 32 meters minus B. Did you understand till here? L shall stay here and B has been gone other side and it has been subtracted. So L is equal to 32 meters minus B, or L is equal to 32 minus B meters, whatever. So we know that area has been given as 207 meters square. I should write the formula of the area. We know that area is equal to length multiply breadth. In the case of rectangle, area is equal to length multiply breadth. Area has been given as 207 meters square. In place of length, I shall write 32 minus B and multiply by B. I can either suppose the value of breadth here as well. For example, I can make the value of B. B is equal to 32 minus L, 32 meters minus L. So I have taken B as it is here. L has been moved to other side and it has been subtracted. Now in place of L, I shall write L only. In place of B, I shall write 32 minus L. 207 as it is. L will go in and enter inside the bracket. 32L minus L square. L will come here, it will be positive. 32 will be as it is here. But the problem has been arised now. 32L is here. Oh, sorry. L will come here, will be L square. I shall complete the later part of this question in the next video, or even in the description. You may be able to see that. I shall decide where I have to solve, but you can check the next part as well. L will come here, will be L square minus 32L and 207